Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Kpomo and turkey pepper sauce. If you want to know how I prepare this, please stay tuned to this video. Thank you. Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video, we are going to be making kpomo and turkey pepper sauce. Kpomo and turkey pepper sauce. So this is what we are going to be making right in today's video. So you can see my kpomo is here. This is kpomo, a big cow head. I don't know the kind of kpomo we are getting in Europe. Oh my goodness, this kpomo have been like, I have been tasting of kpomo, but because of how the kind of kpomo we are getting here, I'm so tired because I am a meat picker. I don't really eat meat much. But we prefer eating fish more than meat. So that's why I prefer using fish in every of my recipe. So guys, and this one I will just call it kpomo, because if I call it cow head now or cow skin, I don't know, maybe tomorrow I'll be hungry of kpomo. Let me just imagine, let me just put it as if it's kpomo. But as for me, because this kpomo, I bought it €5. You can see how it's looking. See, this is how it's looking. When I open it, I was so I don't just that I'm just hungry of this kpomo. I don't know, I could have just dumped it inside my freezer there. This is it. I bought it and I was surprised with what I see inside. It's not really encouraging at all. So you can see what I wasted. Look at what is wasted from just one part of the cow head. You can see, look at what is wasted already. And that one that is remaining will also bring out something like this as well. So Nigeria, we are blessed. When you see Nigeria kpomo go dey hungry you. We are really blessed. Without taking much time, let's go into the video. If today is your first time coming across this video, you are highly welcome. As I earlier said, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If you love what we do here, we do cooking recipes as the one you are just seeing right now. We do face mask tutorial and our beautiful lifestyle. So if you fall in any of this category, you want to be among us, or you decided to just join us, you are highly appreciated and you are welcome. And for my returning subscribers, you are awesome and amazing. Thank you for always tuning in. And if you have not yet subscribed, you are just watching, please do well to hit that button, subscribe, and put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video, you will not miss any. Subscription is free of charge. Thank you for coming. So as I earlier said, this is my kpomo. I will call it kpomo, and I have my 2 onions. Why I present 2 onions is that I will be using 1 onion to cook the kpomo first. You have to cook this kpomo first before you can make it with that pepper sauce. So that is why 2 onions is here. And I have my scotch bonnet pepper, only 1, because this scotch bonnet pepper is so hot, it's too hot. And I have my 2 maggi. I prefer using 1 maggi, but the kpomo no dey sweet at all, so I decided to add 2 to make and this turkey I'm putting will make it so delicious as well. It will bring more taste from this kpomo and turkey pepper sauce, and it's going to bring more taste. Also going to cut it pieces the way I cut the kpomo as well. That is how I'm going to cut it as well. And I have my 3 tomatoes. Let me bring it for you guys. I have my 3 tomatoes because I want it to be more sauce, because I want to use it for yam. So, and this is my bell pepper, and this bell pepper is 2, so it has been washed. The only thing I have to do with them is for me to blend it, and my blender is here already. And I have my mixed ingredients here. I have my oregano, I have ginger, I have garlic and black pepper. This is what is mixed here, so you can use any ingredients of your choice as much as you want. This is what I am going to be using, and I decided to add crayfish, blended crayfish as well for more flavor. So this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe, and this is salt. So this is it. Without taking much time, I will just go ahead and cut the kpomo little pieces and put it right in the fire while I blend this my pepper and get everything ready. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, everything have been cut. This is the turkey. I've diced it, as in I have cut it into pieces. And this is the kpomo. Is cooking already. The kpomo is cooking already. I'll show you. So guys, this is the kpomo. This is how I cut it. Maggi cube. I use half of it to cook the meat and some onions and little time to make more. So guys, I will leave the kpomo to be cooking. I have cut my onion because I'm going to be blending it, because the kind of blender we are seeing here this time around, I don't understand. You will just buy blender, it will not be up to a month, it will just spoil. So this one I bought, they told me is as an original one. Oh, let me show you guys. So I have to cut it so little so that I can blend it, because I don't know, blender cannot even blend ordinary bell pepper or onions. Only the tomatoes is good for me to just blend without stressing myself to dice it. So this is the blender. You can see how they told me this one is the best one. Oh, and this is the carton. I bought it newly, but it just the meleskel. I say tomorrow not day, because they wrote everything frulatore. They just want it. They just want us make we dey use and ground olive fruit. They don't know say we dey cook moi, we dey cook different thing. And I bought it. Look at the amount I even buy it. 44 euro 90 cents. Let me just say 45 euro. You see, and it's not really working good though. It's not working good. I have returned it and they have systemized it, and they told me I should use it carefully. I don't know how to use this kind of something. No, just tired for these people. So that is why I cut those pepper like that, so that I can able to just blend it, so that the blender will let me manage small. I'm just really tired of Euro blender. So this is it, oh guys. So guys, so you can see the kpomo just dried up. This is how I want it. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Just dried up. So I will add the turkey. By this time, I will set it aside and put my frying pan. This is my frying pan. Immediately, I will add my oil because the frying pan have dried already. I will add my onion. Blended onions as well. I blended onions, but I will just allow this to. So I'll add the dry ingredients. Don't worry, my baby is playing at the background. Mama. So I'll be adding the tomato paste. So I'll be adding a little bit of crayfish. So we'll allow the paste to turn a little. This will be cooking for some minutes. So I'll add my mango cube now. It's 1.5. Add a little salt because I'll also steam my kpomo with some salt. I will be adding the kpomo now. The kpomo and the turkey, I'll be adding it. I'm going to stir everything together. So we'll cover it for everything to get done. So guys, oh my goodness, can you see what is here right now? You can see our kpomo and turkey pepper sauce. Oh my god, I said it, I said I want more sauce. Let me bring it from, let me zoom it so that you guys can see. Oh my man, can you see this? So I'll be adding the last ingredients. Oh my god. So this is how I really want it. I want more sauce. You can use this kpomo and turkey sauce for so many things, like you can use it for rice, you can use it for agidi. You can also cool yourself with this, with a bottle of ude if you are that type. If you are that type of mineral, you can also do so. Oh my god, this is so delicious. As for me, I will be using it with yam. That's why I want this pepper sauce. With that one scotch bonnet pepper, if you see how this sauce is pepper, like it was so active, that pepper. So guys, I think this is going to be the end of this video. You can see I am cooking my yam already. Oh my goodness, can you see how delicious this is looking? So if you enjoyed this video, you love what you see now, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. and make sure you put on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my video. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. And if you have any recipe you want me to bring out for you, feel free to leave it at the comment section. My Instagram is still popping on top of the screen. You can still follow me up there. You can leave me a message there as well. So please remember to thumbs up this video, please, and share if you can. Share this video. It can be of help to someone out there who want to eat this kpomo and turkey pepper sauce. Oh my god, did you see this combination? Try it and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.